Okay, now let's take the case of subquery making use of delete. So here what we are interested to do is that in the empty customer BKV, okay, we can replace it now. And let this be customer. Okay, now from we have deleted from the customers table the whole of the rows where the age was greater than 27. So first it will compare with all the age of the second table, that's customers, and based on that, if there was any comparable age with respect to this customer BKB, only those rows of the customer BKB will be deleted and not from the customer, and all the rows will be deleted where age is greater than 270. So this is how we are using the delete query in by means of subqueries. Now we can go to the query designer window and we can easily see how the thing actually works. Now we can comment this particular query for update. Now we can copy and paste and make a slight modification, and we can change it later. So we have to make it as delete. Yeah. Now delete from this first table where aging select age from the customers where age were greater than 2000. So we have to visualize and see what were present in the particular table, first table. So here age should be what we are given is greater than 30. So greater than 30 means only 32 and 34 is available. So only these two, Ramesh and Kiran, only these two rows will be deleted from the first table. And just to make sure that these 32 and 34 are available in the first table or not, customer table. So 32 and 34, yeah, it's available. Then only can compare and delete it. Okay, now we can execute the code and see where it's worked correctly or not. So exactly two rows got affected. That means if we can open the C class table, we can see that this 32 and 34 will be no more will be available. See. So this is how the delete query is going to work by making use of subquery. So this is a particular way. Now we can do one thing, we can comment it. We can delete the whole stuff. So we can newly create. So we can insert it into the empty table now, and comparing with age greater than 34. So for age being greater than 34, all this insertion into this empty table will take place. We have to correct the syntax. Yeah, now you can see 4 rows got affected. Now with respect to this, we can change with respect to age now. If age we are interested to delete it after greater than 70, so then in that case 89 and 76 will get deleted, 45 that 56 will remain. So we can open up the delete query and we can make it greater than 70. Insertion no more required. You can delete. So exactly 2 rows got affected. So if it's above 70, we have gotten 89 and 76. Only these 2 rows will get deleted, whereas for this other remaining 2 rows will remain intact. Okay, being the greater than below 70 or the greater than 70 with respect to age, the rows were deleted. So this is greater than 70. So this is how the query works with respect to delete making use of subquery.